Jamaica, shore fishing. Catch the vibes. Pull it up. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Sun bust early on the Caribbean blue. Riding on me and yeah, me know what to do. Man take go be a breeze, kiss my face. Salt for my skin, yeah, me day in my place. Camera rolling, whole crew live. When the line starts scream, you know, say we arrive. Real spin fast, heartbeat quick. From the sea to the screen, yeah, we never miss.
When the water start boil and the rod them bend, every man pon deck knows say this a win. Pull it slow, hold it firm, don't rush the fight. When Jamaican shore fishing, they are it right.
Talk Jamaican shore fishing, pull it in. Pop big wave rock, yeah, we ride in the wind.
Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh. Ooh, barra, guys. Look at the size of this barra. Shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for jumping in. Appreciate you guys all the time. Got you guys on the new camera. The camera's out. And, you know, we have our other one here, chest cam, backup cam, just in case. But thank all you guys for jumping in. Appreciate you guys. We out this morning. About to drop some line this morning. Yesterday I got a wicked hookup. Stay tuned for that video. I'm going to be posting that shortly. I didn't get a chance to edit because Jam Houston is in town, so we kind of linked up yesterday and got to hanging out. So, long story short, guys, we're going to throw some line here this morning. As you see, I have my head mount on. I'm about to get it off the stick and get up there and see what we can catch this morning. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. One love. So we got our head cam on. Hopefully, we don't lose our camera. It's tipped on. Water's coming up pretty high here. And we got our chest cam running this morning. So, let's see what's going on, guys. Hi, Papa. So, welcome to the channel. Appreciate you guys. Hitting it up this morning. See what we can pick up. Water's splashing a bit high here this morning, but I gotta just be careful. Wires behind me. Here goes nothing. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Appreciate you guys. Getting chased by little jacks. So obviously the visibility for this lure is there. Get over that side. See if I might get a batter's attention on that side. See something chasing, something chasing, something chasing, something chasing. All right. A little bit high on them logs. Let's get a little bit higher up here. I don't want to get splashed, but also don't want to slip. And I don't want to get hitched on that wire, but see what's up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. I know there's always some jacks in here and some barras being here all the time. I hit a nice barra in here one day. So there's bait fish in here. So we're just testing this reef out before we go any further up the line. Water was looking extremely good this morning. We're gonna go down the line, guys. That's it for this spot. I lost the lure like this yesterday, but we had planned for a little bit further, and that's what we're going to aim for this morning. Wanted to get up there and get a few casts off up there, but that's not worth it right now. Let's go. Keep it moving. Shore fishing. All right, shore fishing. Welcome to the channel again, guys. Did a little shore cast in here. Morning. About to get some shore casting in, guys. Fishing. See what's up. We're gonna walk this beach, guys, and see what's up. I don't think I'm gonna go any further today. I might. Who knows? Yeah, guys. I think I just seen a barra hit after it a while ago, but lizard fish, barra, whatever that was. Shit. Keeps on getting hitched up on this lure. I don't know what's the matter with this lure. It's not swimming good. Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh. What? Ah, man. I'm not even gonna mess with you like that. There you go. I'm not wetting up today, guys. Let him go. Barracuda. Just got away. Oh man, that was cool. Got a barra. He hit Sean. It wasn't set. It wasn't set good though. But that was a good. I seen him chase after it before. I'm sure there's a few here. We're gonna walk this beach, guys. This is what we do, Jamaican shore fishing. We do this kind of fishing, we enjoy this. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Remember, tune in for more Jamaican shore fishing videos. Try to keep it exciting as much as we can. Stay active, guys. That's what's up. If you love lure fishing, if you like this kind of fishing and this is the fishing for you, then thank you guys for joining the channel. You're in the right place. Like a little ear pocket is getting caught. Oh shit, almost got wet. I'm in grass now, guys, so running this lure a couple of times. Just walking this beach, guys, on the flats. See what we can pick up. All right, nothing there. Won't get as far up to that tree, then we're gonna turn back. Then we're gonna head down the line to where we aim for. But let's just get some quick action here. Real quick and fast. Not getting a good swim off the lure, I don't know why. Low tide. Oop. Morning.
How's the fishing going?
All right, I just caught a barra down there. He got. I let him go though. It was small.
Oh yeah, yeah. I just swim past one out there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, on this side.
All right, cool. Not swimming good, this lure. I don't know why it's doing that. Keeps on hitching up on this hook. And the rod, the line is not bent. Just giving me a weird old funky swim. Just want that one hit. Long jaw trying to chase it. It's not that much of a high tide, guys. It's very low tides. And I'm just working this area. Mostly grass. No. So I'm pretty much walking the distance of this whole beach. I walked like a mile already, guys. Like a half mile, give or take. Nothing. Not yet. Of course, guys. And we'll just work it going back the other way too. Hopefully that barra that he said he seen a while ago. Let's walk in the beach and fish in the beach, guys. And we'll go as far. Perfect ambush spot are those little white clear spots right there, guys. So we're gonna aim for this last big blue spot and just pretty much see if we can pick anything up. I think we can get out there. Let's go. All right, morning. Nothing yet, guys. I gotta get out of here. This music's gonna mess my whole recording up. Somebody's playing music, so gotta go the other directions, guys. Not going any further that way. Head back to the car. Pretty much. Oops. Nothing there yet. Hey guys, trying. What the hell is going on here? He's watching. Ooh, little barra grabbed after it again. You know, I'm gonna pick up some nice size ones here, guys, like some 3-pounders or 2-pounders. That little one this morning was all right. I mean, like I said, I just didn't feel like getting my shoes wet. That's how I am at times. There's times where I don't give a shit, and there's times where I just don't feel like getting wet. Thank you guys for joining the channel, though. Weather don't look so great today, but the water does. The water looks excellent. I'm gonna take it down to another spot in a bit. See if I get a little bit deeper water where I can get a little bit more cast. That's weird as shit, shore fishing. Crazy I haven't picked up other than that little one. But we're trying. Long jaw. Sure fishing, do for sure fishing. Alright guys, we're gonna head down the line. Stay tuned. I keep on turning the chest cam off and on because that's not even included on my mic. Oh shit, somebody came down here and cut this tree up, I guess, with a chainsaw to get through. I guess they're trying to fix this fence. Oh, makes life simpler for me now. Shit. So, long story short, they had fixed this fence up a while back and I guess they stole it. Who the hell steal fence? But anyways, seaweed is down here wicked, guys. I don't know how that's gonna do on the pickup, but let's see what we can achieve. We just try this spot, then we're gonna go around where I got that hook up yesterday and see what we can achieve here on Missouri crystal minnow, wire lead. Get out there, guys. Only way to find out. Put that lure in the water, right? Ooh. Yellowtail hit after it a while ago. Ooh, Barra, guys, look at the size of this Barra. Good, Jaja good. You was a fast fella. That was a fast move, boy. Oh my God, Becky. Look at you, big fella. Come here. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Big fella. Big fella was moving pretty fast. Calm down. Let me get you down here. Look at this, guys. Shore fishing. Haha. I was hunting this morning and kind of felt the energy to come down here. Let me put this down for a second. Get this camera off the head so you guys can see what's going on. Thank you guys for joining the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Early morning kill already. One got away from us a while ago, but this one surely as heck ain't. So this one's going home for dinner. About 3 pounds, nice size. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Thank you guys for just remember to smash that thumbs up. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. There. That was a good shot, guys. That was awesome. That was amazing. He was quick as like gunshot. I seen something chase it, like a yellowtail snapper chased it before, and then he just popped up out of nowhere like whammo. All right, you're gonna hang tight there for a bit, buddy. We're gonna continue fishing because most likely there's more fish here if you're here. So we're going hunting. Hang tight. I'll be right back for you. Yeah, shore fishing. Let's get it out there again, guys. One got away from me yesterday. All right. Kukudoy. Hang tight, buddy. Don't worry about it. Can't go nowhere. All right, guys. Yeah, man. Shore fishing fans. Ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh. I don't know what the heck that is. I hooked onto something. Lizard fish. Oh, hey, hey. Little lizard fish. Look at you, little fella. Yeah, guys, hooked another one. Look at that. Whoop, 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 whoop. Lizard fish. One more for the cooler. What's up? What's up? We're hunting. Hey, hey, hey. I might just put this one back, guys. This one's kind of small. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to. You're a lucky fellow today. Very lucky fellow. This the wire lead got damaged too. I gotta change this. No, you jerk. Trying to hook me with the line. All right, let's get you back in the water. We ain't gonna keep you. Oh, calm down, little fella. Do quick. Hit this little thing pretty hard. Pain in the ass. Oh shit, you're hooked pretty bad. You ain't gonna survive this. Hooked in the gill and everything. Shit, man. I gotta get the lip grip tool to get you off. Can't grab you with my hands. Hold on a second. Gonna hang tight with Barra here if you're not careful. Where'd that hook at? All right, let's get that hook out. All right. Oh damn. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. All right, let's do this. Use our hefty grip rag here and hold you. Get one hook out of there. How the fudge bucket you got hooked onto here, buddy? Oh boy. It's gonna be a challenge getting that shit off of you. Oh, you're gonna friggin' hurt yourself more that you do that. Oh my God. Oh, you ain't going back in the water for sure. You ain't gonna survive this shit. That's definitely for sure. You're not gonna survive this one, buddy. Sorry about that. Can't do nothing to help you. But what I can do to help my other friend right here, I can drop you with him so you can hang tight. Both of yous. Whoop whoop. Alright, so you guys hang tight until I get back so I can pick up something else. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys, as we do more exciting hookups. Alright? That's what's up. This wire lead is kind of messed up. I'm going to have to change it anyways. But if I get a big hookup, it's a possibility it might break. So. Oh my God, another lizard fish went after it. All right, guys, one more cast out here and then we out of here, moving. All right, guys, we're gonna head around and head out, get out of this little spot, head around the other side, see what else we can pick up over there, right? So thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads for more exciting hookups, guys. Bless up yourself. Yeah, we're gonna head back up this hill. Steep as hell, but no worries, guys. This is how we do it. Barra, barra, barra. The barra hunter is here. Yeah, I gotta get back. I gotta get back, guys. I can't mess around. I gotta get back because I gotta get Laurie to class. Laurie has class today from 10 to 2, so I can't mess around with that. So I definitely gotta get back home. I want to continue fishing, but it makes no sense at this point because I have chores and errands and stuff to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna head back in. I just turn around, heading back up the line. That is it. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys for joining the channel. Appreciate you guys for supporting the channel all the time. 11,000 strong. Thank all you guys. Enough love and respect to you. See you on the next video. Bless up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.